Alright, we're going to do online TSI 168 pre-algebra, part 3, 81 through 120. Let's go ahead and get this. So, it says, if A equals LW, find L if W is 14, A is 168. Put them in there. Substitute in this formula, these numbers, 168 equals L times 14. So that's 14L. Divide by 14, divide by 14. So what's going to happen is these will be gone. And what's left over is 12 equals L. Alright. Yep, my margins 24. Open Mexican cafe, open 24 hours. Alright, next question. Solve the linear equation AR plus 5 equals 77. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5 minus 5 on both sides. So now we have AR, 8R right here. These are gone. 8R equals 72. Divide by 8, divide by 8. So R equals what? 9. Solve the linear equation 2n minus 8 equals 10. So we have 2n minus 8 plus 8 plus 8. These are gone. So 2n equals 18. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So n must be what? 9. Solve the linear equation 20 equals 3x plus 5. So I'm going to go minus 5 minus 5. So that's going to be 15 equals 3x. Divide by 3, so 5 equals x. Solve the linear equation, 79 equals 7 minus 7m. So I'm going to go minus 7 minus 7. So you have 72 equals negative 9m. Now divide by negative 9, divide by negative 9. That's going to be a positive by negative. It's going to be negative 8 equals m. Solve the linear equation. Negative 53 equals 10y plus 7. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and minus 7, so negative 60 equals 10y, divide by 10, divide by 10. So negative by positive negative 6 equals the y. Solve the linear equation. Negative 3a plus 4a equals 12 plus minus 26. So this a's together, 4a minus 3a is 1a plus 4. And this right here is going to be negative 14. So now I'm going to go negative 4, both sides. So 1a equals negative 18 or just a equals negative 18. Solve the linear equation. Negative 4 equals 3y minus y. Rewrite it. 3y minus 1y is 2y. Divide by 2, divide by 2. These are gone. So you have negative by positive is a negative 2 equals y. Solve the linear equation. So first thing you need to do is use that please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So how do we do that? We multiply negative 2 times that, negative 4. Negative times positive is a negative 2x. Now we go negative 4 and a plus 4 here. So now we're going to have, these are gone. So negative 2x equals negative 10. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, so x is a what? Positive 5. Solve the linear equation. Again, rewrite this negative as negative 1 times this. Parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Please excuse my dear Sally again. Negative times that, negative 1x. That times that's going to be negative 5 plus 6. Bring it down. These right here is going to give you a 1. Negative 1x plus 1 equals negative 4. So now I'm going to go minus 1. These are gone. It's negative 1x equals negative 5, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, so x must be what? Positive 5. Solve the linear equation. 2p plus 14 equals 3p minus 1. So what I'm going to do first is minus 14 to both sides. So now once I do that, I have 2p equals 3p minus 15. But I'm going to subtract 3p minus 3p. These are gone. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1p equals negative 15. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So p equals positive 15. Solve the linear equation. 3m plus 15 equals 4m plus 5. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, minus 15, these are gone. 3m equals 4m minus 10. So 3m minus 4m, these are gone. So we have negative 1m equals negative 10, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So m equals negative by negative is a positive 10. Okay, next one. So now we have Solve the linear equation. 10y equals 7y plus 7 plus 2y. Put these together first. That one now is going to be 9y plus 7. Bring this down. Now go minus 9y minus 9y. So that's going to give you 1y equals 7. And that's just y equals 7. Solve the linear equation. Negative 8b plus 4 plus 6b equals negative 3b plus 9. Put this together. Negative 8b and 6b is negative 2b plus 4. Copy everything down. Minus 4, both sides. These are gone. So negative 2b equals negative 3b plus 5. So now we have add 3b. These are gone. So we have 1b equals 5 or just b equals 5. Solve the linear equation. X plus 3 equals negative 15. Go minus 3 on both sides. So these are gone. So x equals what? Negative 18. Solve the linear equation. X plus 2 equals negative 16. So what we're going to do is go a negative 2 and a negative 2. These are gone. So you have x equals what? Negative 18. Solve the linear equation. 7x plus 9 equals 16. So go negative 9. So 7x equals 7. Divide by 7. So x equals what? 1. Solve the linear equation. 6x plus 6 equals 30. So go minus 6, both sides. So 6x equals 24. Divide by 6. So x equals what? 4. Solve the linear equation. We're going to have to use that PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So take the parentheses off this. Now it's going to be x plus x minus 19. And that's 1x and 1x. Rewrite it. What's that? That's going to be 2x minus 19 equals 151. Now you're going to go add 19. So 2x equals 170. Now divide both sides by what? By 2. This one by 2. So x is 85. So also notice that x minus 19, originally up there, is a 66. Usually when you work it out on the practice test. Solve the linear equation. 5x plus x equals that. So 5x plus 1x has to be this number. So 6x is 324. Divide by 6. So x has to be 54. And notice that 5x would just be 270. So you can put them back in substitute to see if it works. Solve the linear equation. X plus 12 is 110. So I'm going to go minus 12. So x must be what? 98. Simplify these fractions. 1/4 divided by 5/6. So rewrite this as 1/4 times 6/5. Now I need to write 6 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. 2 divides 6, 3. 3 divides that once. 2 divides 4, 2. 2 divides that 2 times. And can we do some more? That's it. Oh, 2 divides that 1. There you go. All right. Now we have 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is a 4. So can we substitute this back in here? Yes. 4 is 2, 2. 6 is 2, 3. Notice what cancels out. 2's cancel. What's left over is 3. And 2 and 5. So 3/10. Now we have 8b minus 6 equals 9 minus 7b. Is b equal 1 a solution? Let's check this. How do we do that? Put it back in the original problem. See if it works. 8 times 1 minus 6, 7 times 1. So 8 times 1 is 8 times 1 is 8 minus 6 is 2. And then 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 equals 2, yes. So b equal 1 is a solution of this. This one. 2 fractions, add them together. 2/3, 1/6. They're not the same denominators. So let's work through the prime numbers. 2 divides 6, 3. 3 divides that once. And so we know that 6 is 2 times 3. And 3 is just a 3. So the LCD is 2 times 3, which is 6. These numbers right here. So 6. They both have to have 6 in the bottom, denominator. So that was ready. Multiply this one by 2 and 2. 2 times that, 2 times that. So that's going to give you 4/6 plus 1/6. Now we can put them together as 4 plus 1 is 5/6. Same denominators. All right. Fraction minus a fraction. 6 over 8 minus 1 over 9. So let's get the 8 and let's break it down. 2 divides 8, 4. 2 divides that. 2 divides that. So 2, 2, 2 is 8. 9. 3 divides 9, 3. 3 divides that once. So 8 is 2, 2. 9 is 3, 3. LCD must be 2, 2 and the 3 3s, which is 72. So they both have to have 72 to work. So 9 times that, 9 times that, 8 times that, 8 times that. It's going to give you 54 over 72 minus 8 over 72. Put them together as one big fraction. So now we have the big fraction. So this is going to be 46 over 72. And now let's do prime numbers for this right here. And 46, 2 divides that, 23. 2 divides that, 23 divides that one time. And 2 divides this, 2 divides this, 2 divides this, 3, 3. That's the end of, that's the, right there. And this is a 23 in case it's hard to read it. There you go. So now we have, what do we have? 2 times 23 up there, numerator. And 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3, denominator down the bottom. So 2's cancel, yes. What's left over is 23 over 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 9 is 36. So we have 23 over 36. Fraction divided by and minus the fraction. So this one. So we write this versus do the multiplication. 7 over 9 times 4 over 3 minus 4 9s. So now we can break this up into 3 divides 27, 9, 3 divides that 3, 3 divides that one time. And 3 divides that 3, 3 divides that 1, so there it is. So now we have, what do we have here? We have these right here. Now the reason is because we multiply this out, we got 28 over 27. 27 and 9 are not the same, so that's why I did this right here. So I know that 3 divides that, 3 divides that. So 27 is 3, 3. 9 is 3, 3. So the LCD is 3, 3, which is 3 times 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So this one has 27, that one has to be 27. So 3 times that, 3 times that. So 28 over 27 minus 12 over 27. So 28 minus 12 is 16 over 27. So that's it, we're done with that. All right. Fraction on top of a fraction. Okay. So a fraction on top of a fraction. How do we do this? Well, 2 over 7 divided by 1 over 5, we write it as a reciprocal of 2 over 7 times 5 over 1. So then nothing cancels, nope. Can't multiply straight across. That's going to be 10 over 7. Simplify this. Fraction minus fraction on top, fraction minus fraction on the bottom, complex fractions. So let's see. What is the LCD of 3757? Well, we have divised. We just got 3 times 5 times 7, which is 105. So I'm going to multiply the numerator, denominator, 105 there, 105 there. So 105 times the first one, second one, first one, second one. Divide. 3 divides 105, 35. 5 divides this, 21. 7 divides that, 15. 7 divides that, 15. So now we have this times this is 175 minus 75, or 160 minus that. 100 over 138 left over. Well, this is the same thing as 2 times 50 and 2 times 69. These 2's are gone. So we have 50 over what? 69. Another complex fraction. LCD is 6x. Multiply everything by what? 6x, 6x, both sides. So now, when I do that, I have 6x times this one is 24x over 1, 12x over x, that times that. 6x squared over 3, 6x over 6. And simplify these. It's going to be 24x plus 12, 2x squared plus x. And if I factor out the 12 from this, 12 times 2x plus 1, x times 2x plus 1. Notice that the 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 are matching right here. So they're gone. So what's left over is 12 over x. All right, this one. We have 2/5 n equals 6. Solve the linear equation. Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 5 over 2 of this number here. 5 over 2, 5 over 2. These are gone. But this is going to be 6 times 5 is 30 divided by 2 is and is 15. This one. We have multiplied by the reciprocal of this, which is 9 over negative 4 times the left side, right side. These are gone. Solving this linear equation. So y equals negative by negative is a positive 9 over 16, and there's nothing else we can do with that? Nope. Leave it alone. Solve the linear equation. We can cross multiply this, easiest way. 8 times that one, 7 times that one. So 8 times this, and 7 times that one. So now we have 8x plus 48 equals 7x plus 49, minus 48 minus 48. So we have 8x equals 7x plus 1, minus 7x, and we know what's going to happen to 7x. They're gone out of here. So what's left over is 1x is 1, or x is what? 1. Solve the linear equation. This multiply with the LCD, which is going to be 10. This one by 10, by 10, by 10, all the way across by 10. So now what's going to happen? We multiply everything by 10. This is going to be 2 divides 10, 5. 5 divides 10, 2. And that's 10. That's going to be 5x minus 4x is 1x. 1x is just x, and this is going to be 10. So x must be what? 10. Solve the linear equation, multiply with the LCD, which is going to be 12 for this one. Multiply everything by what? 12. So 12, 12, 12, 12. 3 divides 12, 4. 2 divides 12, 6. 6 divides 12, 2. 4 divides 12, 3. So we have 16x plus 6 equals 2x plus 3. So minus 6 minus 6, these are gone. So we have 16x equals 2x minus 3. So now we're going to go minus 2x, these are gone. So we have 14x equals negative 3. Divide by 14, and you'll see that you have x equals what? Negative 3 over 14. Leave it like that. Solve the linear equation. So we have LCD is 18, multiply everything by what? 18, 18, 18. 6 divides 18, 3. 9 divides 18, 2. And 3 divides 18, 6. So now we have negative 15x equals 8 minus 6. And that's going to be 2. So negative 15x equals 2. Divide by negative 15, divide by negative 15. So x is what? Negative 2 over 15. That's it. We're done with that one. LCD is 36. Again, we'll multiply everything by what? 36, 36, 36, all the way across. 36 by 36 by 36. So now we have 4 divides 36, 9. 9 divides 36, 4. 4 divides 36, 9. So now we have 9x equals 4x plus 81. Minus 4x minus 4x. So we have 5x equals 81. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So x is what? 81 over 5. Leave it alone. We're done with it. 7.0 plus 0.52. Just line them up. And then add them down. That's going to be 9. 5 and 0 is 5. Decimal 7.59. Just line it up. Okay. Same thing. Simplify this. Add them up. Line them up. You're going to go right here. 7 and 5 is 12. Carry your 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that's going to be 16. Carry your 1. That's going to be 10. Carry your 1. 5. 506.92. Simplify this. Subtract. Just set it up like this. Line up the decimal. Subtract. 9 from 10 is 1. 1 from 2 is 1. 9 from 14 is 5. And so on. And then finally at the end it's 4. 4.511. Simplify another subtract. Line them up. Make sure you line them up with the decimal right here. Everything's lined up. Subtract it. 8 from 10 is 2. So on. 8 from the 11 is 3. And 1 from 5 is 4. Point. And then go from there. Alright. Holy cow. Math is fun, says Smartbird. I say yes, that's true. Always. Always, always, always. Fractions are fun. And broken surfboard man looking for his piece of his surfboard in the ocean there with all his Hawaiian stuff on. There it is, all over the place. And this is the Mass Shark surfboard. There's a little bird right there. Again, smart bird. So anyway, he's looking for it. Hopefully he finds his pieces of his surfboard. Oh, Math Monster. Math is fun? No or yes? I say yes. I say it's yes. Math is fun? Yes. Always. Holy cow, it's more scary than the TSI, man. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exponential. They grow exponentially. It means really fast. Holy cow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Yep, scarier than the TSI. Triple, quadruple times more. And 7 and 7, it's in there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. 7 and 7 right there. Alright. Good luck in your TSIs. This is Professor Alfredo Gil Oliveras Jr. Good luck, and I will talk to y'all later, man. Good luck.